Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. During the new year, hope all our friends and fans have a happy new year's. Okay, today we take this video that show a DTF printer with the smart ink system and almost the epson model that we modify to the DTF. Okay, that printer already working around 1 year. Now it gets some issue about the printing quality come down. So the cleaning unit gets some clog inside. So today this video we will go to get replacement the cleaning pump or get replacement and cleaning the one already worked. Okay, so the following video we will see step to step how to get replacements for this printer. So next we need to radio screwdriver. So firstly we will take this parts out from the printer. Totally have the 9 the screw to be locked this parts on the covers. Okay, so and we need to move the cover of each the ink tank. Okay, so in the bottom 2 pieces of screw we already moved out, so we can take that part out. Okay. And now we need to be remove the connect cable. This one the cable for okay, only move this one. Okay, and get ready the cover back, because even the moving that's be shock the ink on the disc. Yes, you see, this is the 7 bottle of the ink colors, so we can working with the specially work with the DTF. Following our next video, you will see more about. Okay, the second step, we will need to move this piece of cover and also this one. So we need to move both of 2 pieces of screw. And here, each of one both sides. Okay, so we can move in these 2 pieces of the yes. So get moving and get moved. The next step, we will need to move the left side of the cover connect with the ink system. Then we will see the cleaning unit under the carriage. Okay, so here I have 3 pieces of the screw. The first one in the bottom. Okay, the second one. And the last one should be in front. Here, open this cover. In this place, this one already take off. So now we can try to move in this parts of to be out of the printer. So we should be push this one to be outside, and here in the behind side should be moving this part out, because that one already the using a printer, some cleaning ink and the washed ink should be under the cleaning unit. Okay, so we can see some waste ink inside. So we need to make the disk to clean, so we put one sheet of film under here. Okay, the next step we will try to moving the cable, so we can set out here and change the connect of the waste ink tube and try to be moving. Okay, we also can be remove the locker of the ink system, so you can see that the ink tube be more easy to should be more easy to moving right now. Okay, set just moving its whole. Okay, so later we will see what happened with the cleaning unit and the setup a little bit longer of the ink tube. Okay, so we see some of the washed ink, so we can to do some cleaning. Okay, so we're ready to moving this cavity to the right side. So you can see the yellow, the billet, we can just moving in the front side. So that's more runner will be moving, even we can easily to be moving the carriage. And then now we can see the cleaning unit be under here. So we are going to take out to check if we can do cleaning or we just do the replacement. Okay, now we'll do a testing before we get to clean or replacement. Use the empty the syringe and connect with the ink tube. Try to suck out the very hot, just a little bit. The waste ink comes out. You can see that's nothing coming, so it be clean inside. That's why we're going to do clean or get replacement. Okay, so here totally have 3 pieces of screw lock this part inside the machine. This is the first one. Okay, get the first one. And the second one. The last one. Okay, that we can easily to moving this part out. Yes, here the waste ink inside. So later we will check where the parts will be clean. Okay. We do clean first. Okay, this one will get a brand new fish part. So we move the new one. Okay, and the ink tube we already moving the parts. And get ready to install back. That will easily to just make the hole to be in place and get 3 pieces of screw. Okay, one more time, confirm in place. And we are doing same times to be check if it's get see. Yes, it's easy. The error comes in. So we are getting ready to install back the existing with the machine. Now we're ready to install this ink tube and throw its hole. Yes, we got it. Yeah. So we should be ready to install our ink tube, and in the place we keep the holder. This one, the working. Okay. Get that screw back. Yeah. Keeping a little bit moving, so later we do the last locking. And then now we're ready to install this cable with the hole. Okay, the one. And then now we are ready to install the cover for the machine. But we also can be to do a test, make sure everything is cleaning out well, the printer function is ready. So at the last we install the glass unit at the last. Okay, so we decide to do a test and do head cleaning to check the function with the cleaning unit first. Okay, so we are just getting ready to set up the function for the ink tube. Okay, everything well, so we'll lock down. And keep the waste ink tube connected with the tank. Okay, and this one is enough, so we'll just get a little bit. I just keep a little bit, let the transparent inside, that we can easy to see even we are doing the cleaning. That's the waste ink to be here. Okay, so I connect the waste ink tube for the machine, and or the ink tube is connected. Keep that cover, this cable to be installed back. Okay, so now everything is ready. We're just ready to power connect with the machine to do cleaning and to check the nozzle. So even we get ready the power connect, we can see the motor and the working with the white ink. Okay, now we are getting ready to turn on the machine and to do 1 or 2 times the head cleaning to check if the printer is getting ready or not. Okay, get the power connect with the printer. Power on. That printer should be getting ready. And then now we are going to do a head cleaning from the printer driver. Okay, when the printer is ready, we do the head cleaning. So we can see the waste ink already run to the waste ink bottle here. That's why we keep a little bit the transparent ink tube. Okay. And we can see even the cavity moving to the left side. Okay, then we can see already the ink it come out on the cleaning cup. It will take 1 more minute. After the cleaning finish, we try to print one of the loader test print sheet to see if the printer gets ready or not. We are doing one more time the head cleaning and to check if the loader gets ready. Okay. Since all the colors is come out, the AM we are filling the the ink colors, so you cannot check the clearly. You can see that mostly all the loader is come out. So we are getting ready to install the full work class system back. Okay, so after we test the printer loader cleaning out, so we try to do a one print to see the quality of the color and of them. Okay, one print will take 2 or 3 minutes for A4 sheet. Even we see color and the white. Okay, it's a finished print, so you can see the quality of color and also white. It looks perfect. Okay, so the problem will be solved out. So we need to ready install the class system back with the machine. We need to get the power off and out of connect with the power cable, and even we install back this cover with the machine, it should be come back together as a combo one. And at last, we will need to take the smaller cover for the ink bottle and set back the cover for the ink systems. Okay, in this video we'll solve out normally the DTF print issue with the cleaning function with our printers. So we will have something new about the DTF printing, and welcome to follow us. See you next video. Bye bye.